Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you, if you don't have any translate app installed in your mobile and you receive some message in WhatsApp, how you can translate it back to English or your desired language. So suppose I receive these messages, just click on the message and click the three dot button on the top and copy the message you want to translate. Message is copied. Now go to your Google Chrome browser, search for Google Translate, here paste, and you will get the translation. So likewise I'll show you again. Again click the three dot button, copy, click, paste. As in Russian, translate the message. I'll show you again. Again I select, I click copy, I go back to Chrome, I paste again. It was in German and I just translate back. So this is all guys. If you don't have any translate app installed in your mobile, likewise you can translate it back to your desired language. So thanks for watching the video guys.